Good morning, Ducky. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Ducky. Tucker, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, baby. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
You came into my life so small, a little teddy bear through it all. Those soft brown eyes, that curly face, you made our house a safer place. You'd follow me from room to room, and somehow chase away the gloom. No matter where I'd ever be, my Tucker always looked for me. You always looked for me, and I was always looking back. Through every joy and every tear, you stayed beside me through the years. You were my comfort, you were my home. You made sure I was never alone. And even though I cannot see, I know you're still looking for me. You fought through things no soul should know, but still your loving heart would show. The fire, the fear, the hardest days could never take your light away. You taught me how to rise again, how love can heal, how hearts can mend. While I was rebuilding all my life, you stood beside me every night. You always looked for me, and I was always looking back. Through every joy and every tear, you stayed beside me through the years. You were my comfort, you were my home. You made sure I was never alone. And even though I cannot see, I know you're still looking for me. You licked the tears upon my face, even when you were hurting that day. You gave me love with your last strength. That's just the kind of heart you gave. time to hold you. More mornings waking up beside you. For 12 years could never be enough, not for a soul who gave so much. You always looked for me, so I'll keep looking for your signs in quiet rooms and morning light, in dreams where you are by my side. You were my baby, my best friend, my soulmate until the very end. And when my journey's finally through, I know I'll look and I'll find you. So rest now, my sweet teddy bear. My love will always find you there. And until we meet beyond the blue, Mom will keep on loving you. My Tucker, I'll keep